Ever wondered if you can actually view OnlyFans content without spending money? A lot of videos online promise secret tricks or hacks, but most of those are either fake, dangerous, or straight up illegal. In this video, I'm going to show you the real and legitimate ways to access OnlyFans content for free. No scams, no shortcuts that can get you banned, and no shady websites. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how OnlyFans works and how people are already watching content without paying the right way. First, you need to understand how OnlyFans works. OnlyFans is a subscription-based platform, meaning creators decide whether their content is paid or free. There is no legal way to bypass a paywall. Only the creator controls access. That said, many creators offer free subscription accounts. Go to OnlyFans and browse suggested profiles or use the search bar. Look for profiles labeled free subscription and click subscribe. No payment required. Understand that free accounts often post previews, short clips, photos, or promotional content. Some creators also send free content through direct messages. Search the creator's username on platforms like X, Twitter, Instagram, or Reddit. Many creators repost clips, previews, or links to their free OnlyFans accounts there. Some creators even run two accounts, one free and one paid, so make sure you're following the free version if it exists. Now, if you're looking for full-length or premium content, that's where payment comes in. There's no workaround for that. Free accounts are meant to give you a preview of what a creator offers, not everything. If you enjoy the content and want full access, the best option is to support the creator directly. Not only does this keep your account safe, but it also helps creators continue making content. So to recap, follow free subscription accounts, check creators' social media for previews, and look for alternate free profiles. That's it. No hacks, no risks. If this video helped you understand how it really works, drop a like, subscribe for more straightforward guides, and check out the next video.